How to use Image Playground app on iPhone. To use Image Playground on your iPhone running iOS 18, follow these steps to get started with generating AI-powered images right from your device. Image Playground is integrated into apps like Messages and Notes, as well as a standalone app for a full experience. Step-by-step guide to using Image Playground on iPhone. Update to iOS 18. Ensure your iPhone is running the latest version, iOS 18, or the iOS 18.2 beta if you are part of Apple's beta testing program. Go to Settings, General, Software Update to check and update. Open Image Playground. In Messages, open the Messages app. Select a conversation or start a new one. Tap on the Image Playground icon in the app drawer below the text input field. Enter a prompt describing the image you want to generate, such as sunset over a mountain with vibrant colors. The AI will generate an image based on your prompt that you can send directly in the chat. In Notes, open the Notes app. Create a new note or open an existing one. Tap the Image Playground icon to access the tool. Type in a creative prompt, and the generated image will appear in your note for easy reference or illustration. Using the Image Playground app. Open the dedicated Image Playground app from your home screen. Enter a detailed prompt to create an image and explore additional options to adjust the style or format. Save or share your creation directly from the app. Customize your prompt. Experiment with different styles and prompt details. For example, you can ask for minimalist art style or watercolor landscape, and the AI will adjust the output accordingly. Save or share your images. Once you've generated an image, you can save it directly to your photos or share it via Messages, Notes, or any other app. Tips for getting the best results. Be descriptive. More specific prompts yield more tailored images. Experiment with styles. Try prompts with styles like abstract, realistic, or retro to see a range of outputs. Adjust and refine. Use the Image Playground app to refine prompts and explore advanced features.